This is the story of millions of people all over Pakistan who never lived to realize their full potential. Pakistan is ranked 134 out of 157 countries in the World Bank's Human Capital Index. The index measures the loss of capital of a country through lack of education and health of its citizens. Punjab, the most populous province, accounts for 48% of Pakistan's poor. The poverty ratio of South and West Punjab in particular is almost twice as high as the province's average of 21%. An estimated 83 out of 1,000 children will die before reaching the age of 1, and over 40% of those who survive will have stunted growth. As unhealthy, unskilled, poor and uneducated adults, they will never be able to break free from the vicious circle of poverty.
ये अगर आप पिक्चर देखें, इसमें एक तरफ 2 साल का बच्चा दिखाया हुआ है जिसकी एक नॉर्मल ब्रेन है, यानी वो उसको सही ग़िज़ा मिल रही है और उसकी जो ज़हन है वो सही तरह बड़ा हो रहा है। एक तरफ ये है और दूसरी तरफ ये आप बच्चा देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि इसको ग़िज़ा पूरी नहीं मिल रही, आप देख रहे हैं कि इसका जो पूरा दिमाग है पूरी तरह बढ़ ही नहीं रहा। और ये हम 45% पाकिस्तान के बच्चों की बात कर रहे हैं, यानी तकरीबन हर दूसरा पाकिस्तानी बच्चा, क्योंकि हम उनको पूरी ग़िज़ा नहीं दे रहे हैं, उनको न्यूट्रिशन पूरी नहीं मिल रही, उनका वो ज़िंदगी की रेस है उसमें शुरू से ही पीछे रह गए।
In line with the Prime Minister's vision, which he outlined in his very first speech to the nation, and the federal government's Punjab Ehsas Program, which literally means compassion, the government of Punjab, with the help of World Bank, is initiating the Punjab Human Capital Investment Project. The project, the first of its kind, will adopt a life cycle approach with investments at each interval of life. Children from the poorest families will be supported to survive the trauma of childbirth, arrive at school ready to learn, spend quality time in school with better learning outcomes, and finally grow up to live and work as healthy, skilled, and productive adults. Beginning with the 11 poorest districts of the province, with an outlay of 55 billion rupees, Punjab Human Capital Investment Project will reach out to targeted 5 million poorest of the poor families. The project will work around 3 components. Under the Quality Strengthening of Health Services component, the Primary and Secondary Healthcare Department of Punjab will set up key health services easily accessible to low-income households that are critical for the health of mothers and young children. Under the Social Inclusion component, the School Education Department of Punjab is expected to reach 150,000 preschoolers, train 20,400 teachers, and develop 3,400 state-of-the-art early childhood education classrooms. Schools will be made center of community. The Punjab Human Capital Investment Project, under its Economic Inclusion component, will support income-generating activities of young parents aged 18 to 29 from poor and vulnerable households who have children under the age of 5. 100,000 low-income parents will receive a holistic package of livelihood grants, assets transfer, and training to help them establish micro-enterprises. Half of the targeted beneficiaries shall be women. Under the umbrella of Punjab Social Protection Authority, the project will work in tandem with the federal Ehsas Program to develop integrated, modern, and improved social protection systems in Punjab.